This is how the test works. They're all supposed to be air dried, okay? The reason you want all air dry is because you want the water moisture out of them. Each clod or each PED has millions of pore spaces. As we drop them in, water's going to rush in to fill the pore spaces, and there's going to be internal pressures build up. We do not want the soil to fall apart. We want it to hold. If it starts falling apart, it means, we call it, it's beginning to slake. And when it begins to slake, the pores are beginning to collapse. That means that the biotic glues, the organomineral complexes created by the biology, are not present. They've been oxidized or mineralized, okay? And we'll talk that in detail. Okay, now, zero till, organic tobacco, 2 years, never been tilled, never been tilled. That's my garden, okay? And then over here hasn't been tilled in quite a bit of years either.
And we haven't tilled anything out here or in the greenhouse since 2011, and actually just that one bed right there at the very beginning where the onions are. Over there is the only bed that's been tilled since 2010.
Now keep in mind, these three, same soil type, Piedmont soils, okay? Go ahead and gently drop them in there. Go ahead. And then you can do this one. Okay. This is my organic system. Falling apart. Conventional will fall apart. If I did a forest, if I grabbed some from the forest, what would happen, audience? What is going on here? If I grabbed a forest soil, would it fall apart or would it be clear? Why not?
Organic material. Yeah.
Nature does not till. What is their tillage equipment?
Microbiology.
Beautiful. Earthworms, roots, arthropods, all the mesofauna, all those little critters, they do that. Tillage is an incredibly intrusive tool. It is a blunt sledgehammer. Only 2 years of tillage went from here to here. Why? What did the tillage do? Mark, what do you?
Broke down the organic matter and holds it all together.
Ah, who broke it down? Who was the tillage was only the vector, it was only the instrument. Who really did the breaking down? It was the organisms. There are bacteria called opportunist bacteria, coprotrophic bacteria, or scientists call them R strategists. They are opportunists. They're in all the soil systems and they feed on rich carbon substrates. So the tillage, what it does, infuses oxygen, wakes these organisms,